Hello everyone. Hello, I was about to say hello everyone. Hello everyone, and today we are going to be, I'm going to be showing you how to burn movies or shows to your to a DVD or CD. So the first thing you want to do is you want to format your DVD drive to the UDF 2.01 file system. Let's do this. Capacity 4 gigabytes. I recommend you have a DVD rewritable, but you have a, so your DVD should on it. It should say a DVD RW minus or plus RW. If you have minus R or plus R, it's okay. It's okay. You don't need RW, but I recommend you use RW because you can do format. So if you have a CD 650, which is 615 megabytes in size, choose this when you go all the way to that. Once you've opened up DVD Flick to get it, you have to go to this website, DVD Flick. Remember, it's in the description. Sorry, you have to go to this website, which is in the description, and you have to hit download. Works with Windows 2000 Professional or higher. So I'm on Windows 10, so just download DVD Flick. You can also download the source code, and you can see other stuff like a guide. If you like text-based guides, then that's DVD Flick guide is for you. So we have DVD Flick right here. First, what you need to do is you want to select your project destination folder. So basically, this is where all your like your show files to compress it into the DVD. That's where it will go. So that's where it will go. I'm gonna do /DVD. Remember, so let's say if you're gonna put this in a path where you have a lot of documents. For example, for example, if you put it in let's say if you have the documents folder, right? Documents /documents, right? And you have all your other documents, important documents there. It will erase everything in that directory. Everything in the directory you choose. So as you can see, I have the DVD folder created already. I have nothing inside it. But if you have a text document inside it, that text document will be erased. So you want to be careful of where you do it. I highly recommend you do not do the root. If you do the root, your entire drive is gone. So yeah, I'm gonna do /DVD. Now you need the movie. So you need the movie or show. So as you can see, I have a Pokemon movie right here. I want to put this very old movie inside here. The very cool thing about this is if you're doing a show, you can put the episodes on this disc, and you can choose, and once you've created the disc, you can choose which episode you want. So if you're doing a movie, I recommend you just skip this setting. But I also, even though you still have a movie, I'd still recommend this setting. If you have a show, you must do this setting. So go to menu settings, and now this is going to be a menu. So basically, once you start the movie up, I'd recommend simple black or simple white. I like simple black. So as you can see, simple black, and play and these three dots. So this play is just playing the first episode. For example, if you have the show, the first episode will play, and so on and so forth. It will play first episode, second, third, and fourth. Let's say if you want to skip to the third episode, right? You have to go to these three dots and choose what you want. If you don't do none, it will automatically just do the thing that I just told you. It will go from episode 1 to all the way there. You can't skip it. But if you keep on clicking the skip 10 seconds button, and yeah, you'll get there. But here we go, simple black. Actually no, I'm not gonna do simple black. I'm gonna show you like the PS1. This has like a PS1 type of style. You can hit preview to see if you like it. There we go. It says unnamed project. Play with you, more select title. There we go. I'm gonna hit accept. And now I'm gonna go to project settings. Choose your target size. I have a DVD. If your movie or show is like a really large files maybe, then you will want to do DVD dual layer. You have to buy that. I'm gonna do DVD since this is just a few megabytes. I'm gonna name it Pokemon. I'm gonna type Mew versus Mewtwo. There we go. Now I'm gonna hit accept. Now go back to menu settings. Hit preview. Boom. Mew versus Mewtwo. There you go. Accept. Project settings. Okay, good. Video. Okay, so you can keep everything. You can keep everything you want except for target format. If you have if this is like a U.S. show, which if you probably have if it's English, which this one is, then yeah, NTSC is what you want. This is for U.S. If you have like any other region, like Europe or UK or like Europe or something like that, like Australia, Asia, Japan or something, choose PAL. I don't live in the U.S., but I do live in Canada, so U.S. and Canada apply to NTSC. So I'm gonna do NTSC. Go to audio, that's fine. I'm gonna do playback, that's fine, and you can change the playback if you want. Now you can burn it directly to the disk, or just create the ISO image. But you can do both just in case you want to create an ISO image so you can play it on your computer and burn it to a disk as well. Though when you burn it into a disk, you can like play on the computer still. So I recommend you burn it to the disk. But I'm going to show you, but you can do this directly. So once you like hit accept, like when you burned it, it will just immediately directly do this, flash into the DVD. But I'm gonna do create ISO image and like do it myself. So because this uses a very old version of ImageBurn. So yeah, I'm gonna do create ISO image, disk label. I'm gonna type Mew vs Mewtwo. You can do like colons and like symbols, not Unicode symbols. You can do like symbols like colon, that. Yeah, that works. I've tried it on another disk. It works. So I'm just type Mew versus Mewtwo and hit accept. And before you hit create DVD, if you're burning it directly, you can skip this. If you're creating an ISO and gonna flash it manually, then you'll need to do this extra step. Go to the link description below again, and you'll get this website, ImageBurn. So remember how we said it has an older version of ImageBurn? This is the latest version of ImageBurn, so click on Mirror 7 provided by ImageBurn. There you go, ImageBurn, set up. I'm gonna hit cancel because I already have ImageBurn installed. So there we go. Got that working. Now you just go to confirm all the settings. As you can see, all the settings is perfect. Now all you have to do is hit the create DVD button. Now this already exists. So as you can see, warning, the destination folder equal master DVD or yeah, I'll continue. And boom, you get basically you just get the yeah, this is my desktop. It's very messy. It's very messy, yeah. Okay. So it's encoding right now. And now you can click on entertain me just in case you like Tetris, I guess. You hit up arrow to like switch the direction, by the way. I know how to play Tetris, but I don't want to play it right now. Maybe I'll play it. Yeah, yada yada. Just hit I give up. That will restart the game. But if you don't want to play this game anymore, you just want to wait, hit exit. There you go. Cutting Universe YouTube. So there we go. Google Chrome is an app that I made. By the way, speaking of apps that I made, check out my GitHub. Please do it. I will kill you if you don't do it. Please. Check out my GitHub. I make a lot of weird apps, including programming languages and operating systems, and way more cool stuff that I think you should check out. So, yeah, basically, so just wait. Don't touch anything, and this process should finish, and I'll show you the next steps once this is done. I have to wait the entire thing. You don't have to wait because power of editing, but I can't edit. You can't edit people's lives, so I'm very sorry about that. So yeah, you're welcome. I'm gonna see you when this is done. Disclaimer: if you have like a 5 hour long video or like something very long, I recommend you if you have like a CD, use Windows Media Player to burn it. I recommend you do that. But you can also use this. Because if you have like a very big movie that takes really long, which is like a 5 hour, it will take a very, very, very long time to encode and combine the sources. Because the thing is, it will take a lot of time because it takes a lot of time for like a 5 hour movie or show. So, yeah, if it's getting really long for you, and you're using a CD, then just use Windows Media Player. Oh, and yeah, I'll see you when this is done. Boom. So as you can see, we have DVD Flick, and it is done. What happens is basically when it makes the ISO, it opens up ImageBurn, and then it creates the ISO using that ImageBurn version. I'm gonna hit close, and now I'm gonna open up ImageBurn. So once you've installed ImageBurn, you can close DVD Flick. Yep. And now I am going to start ImageBurn, which is right. ImageBurn. That is right. I'll just search it up image. Oops. ImageBurn is right. So we have ImageBurn right here. You also get this. It's not really. I really have Windows 8. So we have write image file to disk, which is what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna select the file. So as you can see, we have eDVD DVD.iso. Remember how before, as a destination folder, I picked Remember how before I picked the destination folder /DVD? If you did like /users your username /documents /DVD, then you'll have to go to that path and you'll see DVD.iso. So before I did destination path as /DVD, so I'm gonna go to /DVD and you'll see DVD.iso. File system is UDF 1.02. Choose destination as some type DVD as your DVD drive. As you can see, mine is D:. You can do verify if you want to like check. It's a read to just check if it's actually written correctly. I'd recommend you do that to avoid a little bit corruption, so you can fix them. But I'm not gonna do that even because I did it without the verify and it worked perfectly. But for you, I recommend verify. Test mode is not really like actually doing the thing. It's just testing. It's just testing if it actually can write stuff to the disk. So, boom. Now, if you have like data on the DVD, it will get completely gone. So you can hit yes, because there's nothing on the disk anyway. So there we go. Now I was gonna write the label. As you can see before, when I said create ISO, it says I chose Mew versus Mewtwo, and it read the label. And it was like, okay, let's name the DVD as Mew versus Mewtwo. And give it some time. Then I'll show you how to play it, how to like play the thing. And so now just wait. As you can see, we have operation successfully completed. And hit OK. So now we've got that done. Now you can just close out the ImageBurn window and boom, done. So now to play it. If you have your DVD player with you, put the disc inside the DVD player and it should play. If you don't have a DVD player and you just want to see how does this work and stuff, then open up VLC Media Player. It's an application in the description below. Click on Media. Click on Open Disc. And as you can see, if you can do this with a Blu-ray disc, audio CD, and SV CD, and MV I'm going to do DVD. Choose Mew versus Mewtwo. If you did not, you know how before we did menu options and we chose like a menu. If you didn't do a menu, click on no disc menus. But I did a menu, so I'm gonna do that. Hit play. We immediately get this. I'm gonna just hit like one of the buttons, and we got that. As you can see, it works. WB Kids. And yeah, there you go. That's how you flash a movie or show to the disc. Thank you for watching, and see you guys later. Bye bye.